Hey everybody, Steve Quillian, working on these windows here in San Antonio, and a lot of you guys saw me cut these little doors there in the window jamb so that I could get the weights out and change them out. I've already changed them out, and people have this question about what do I do to put the door back on. Some people use screws. I just use typical regular old plain Jane caulk, and I'll use a nail gun like this, okay? And this is just a really small 18-inch gauge brad nailer. You can use any brand really, but this, I use a little 5/8 inch nail. See those guys right there? And pop it on. So pop a nail, not like mama nail. Papa nails work better. So I'm just gonna take a dab of this stuff here. Okay, watch. I'm just gonna pookie me some right there, and pookie me some right there, okay? And I'm gonna let it squeeze out and show you why, okay? And put this here like that, and I'm gonna let the caulk kind of align it. And it's real sticky, okay? Watch. Boom, okay? Shoot it on, and I'll shoot the top on like this. There we go. And I'll take my excess caulk and I'll fill in that gap right there, okay? If I gotta tap it in a little bit, there. Make sure it's all aligned. That's really important, okay? Check it out, see? See how flush that is? Okay. Let's do the rest of them, okay? Couple of little tips now, okay, is notice how I have the whole entire jamb scraped, okay, and sanded before I did that, okay. Before I even cut my hole, everything was prepped, ready to go for primer just about. That's why, that's because if you don't, then when you put these doors back on, there's never really a good time to really put in the brute force it takes to get the paint scraped off, okay? And so, order of operations, do all your scraping and sanding first before you even take your doors out, okay? Then, you know, you can let the, let it set up as it is proper. The other thing too is I use caulking because it's not so aggressive, and it's got a tackiness, it's got a stickiness. It'll solidify and take up any space that is in between there and create like a custom fit shim. Some people will say, well, why don't you put a screw in there? Well, when the caulk dries, then you can pre-drill your hole and you can put your screw in as you would normally do it. But you see how fast that was? That was just really, really fast. So, all done, okay?